Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you see your repost on TikTok. Okay, so if you want to see your repost on TikTok, what you can do, launch the TikTok app. So once you have launched your TikTok app, so select the video that you want to repost, for example this one. So what you have to do, click on the send button here, the forward button. So here, then what you can do, sorry, choose okay. All right, click on the this button here. So here what you can do, click on the repost option here. So now here you have reposted it. If you want to check your repost, so what you have to do, you just click on the comment section here and you will see that you have reposted video. And also in addition to that, what you can do, you can just click on the save option here, favorites option here. So in this way, when you get to your profile, when you get to your profile and when you click on this third tab here, you'll be able to see the video that you just reposted and also saved. So it's always a good idea to save the video as along with your repost, so which will be easier for you to access later. So that's what pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.